My name's Elin. I'm a town councillor in Lampeter. I am a mother of 3 very strong-willed daughters, and 10 years ago I faced homelessness. I was working as a full-time administrator in a nursing home. I had a really nice little flat in Carmarthenshire, and then just one thing changed in that I found out I was pregnant with my eldest daughter and my employer unfairly dismissed me. I went automatically to my local authority, who told me it was intentional homelessness because I hadn't paid my rent. At that point, I contacted my then MP, who also said he wasn't sure he could do anything at all to support my case, but he suggested contacting Shelter Cymru, and that was the point where I actually was given hope, because Shelter Cymru took it in hand. The amazing caseworker I had immediately had a case put in place, and within 3 months she had me rehoused. She put all the pressure on the local authority. She made the case for me both legally and also emotionally. Mae'r taith o fyna I fan hyn wedi bod yn eitha anodd a hir, ond mae ferch 90 a mae hi'n siarad am y sefyllfa digatref a mae hi'n siarad I ffrindiau hi, achos mae'n gallu bod yn eitha judgemental. Mae nhw'n gallu bod yn judgemental pan maen nhw'n gweld rhywun sydd yn digatref ar y stryd, a mae hi'n sefyll lan I bobl fel na, a mae fe'n neis I gweld bod llais dy hi hefyd. So mae wedi bod yn daith hir, ond daith profiadol.